Hi chummies, let's go hiking with my schoolmates and other comrades.
Today is the day.
Started my journey to town because we were meeting there. We took our next vehicle to Ngong, and then this matatu ilikuwa inafaa kutupeleka mpaka Gong Hills kwenyewe. Tulifika, and within no minute we were starting the journey. Now this is me. Ndio tunaanza safari, and I'm already this tired because who is going to cover 14 kilometers of hills and valleys? But then I got the psych, tukafika hapa, nikachukua mapicha, and then I grabbed my fat snack because I'm just a girl and I need to eat like something small. The views were so nice. We took lots of great pictures. Oh goodness. And then this was at the first hill after covering I don't know how many kilometers, and I thought we were almost halfway. Hey Mungu! I took my second snack, the ice cream, aziwa. Tunapunga hewa. Hill number 2, done. Hill number 4, done. 3 more. What can you say about the hike? Hi, Captain.
Hi, Marianne.
What can you say about the hike?
I'm doing the glucose.
Hi. What can you say about the hike? Okay. Hi.
Hello.
What can you say about the hike? Hill number 5. Hi. What can you say about the hike? Okay. Hi. What can you say about the hike? They're missing out? Yes. Hi. What can you say about the hike? No pain, no gain. Hi. What can you say about the hike? Yeah. Hi. What can you say about the hike? Tuliendelea na safari, and within no minute we were at the peak. Hatujui aje because we were making and stories were. And now hill number 7. Tulianza safari ya kushuka. We had like 5 more kilometers to cover. Damn, hapa tulibreak kukula tukakat sunset. Sijui safari ilisha aje because I did not record most of the parts. Hapa unajua nguvu ilikuwa imetutokelezea tukikimbia after tumeona gate, and that is the gate. I honestly can't explain this, lakini watu wa mjengo tulipanda pickup itufikishe Kisiria, ndio tuchukue gari nyingine yenye itatupeleka Ngong, ndio tukuje tao kila mtu aende makwao. It was fun having these guys around. Everyone joined those groups. Mkuje tena tutembe. This was a school JSC trip and we had so much fun.